So guys, today I'm playing Pet Simulator X once again. I cannot wait to show you this. To do this video, and if you guys could like and subscribe, then maybe you can probably be in a video. Maybe. But also that might be when I'm a man and I have like new friends. But you may meet me one day in life. And that is true. Okay? But actually we're not gonna play that. I'm gonna play like this different game. And that is gonna be called Don't press the button. Now, I think the only goal for this is to not press the button. But if the goal is to press the button, then oh, bro, I didn't even get to finish. Okay, bro, how? How? Look, I'm spinning and running. Yeah, how? I think all you have to do is dive there. Oh. On your marks, go. But I was just even faster. Bro, how? I'm even faster than this. Yes! Come on, 3. Ah! That was me. Oh! If you guys like, probably like today's video, probably if you subscribe, I'll do some more videos like this, but also I'll do some crazy content. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe down below. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.